Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Microsoft Whiteboard, I don't, but if you are, then just a quick video to give you a quick heads up that Microsoft has announced that it's going to be deprecating Microsoft Whiteboard for consumers. Now, Microsoft has begun showing an in-app warning to Whiteboard users with personal accounts, informing them that they won't be able to create or edit whiteboards after August 22nd, 2026, which as of today's date is less than a month away. So if we have a closer look here, it says Microsoft Whiteboard for Microsoft account is being retired. Starting from August 22nd, 2026, you will no longer be able to create or edit whiteboards. However, you can continue to view and export them until September the 5th, 2026, after which they will be permanently deleted. Please export any whiteboards you'd like to keep. Okay, so that's important. So if you are using Whiteboard, just wanted to give you a quick heads up. Now, it's worth noting that Microsoft isn't going to be deprecating Whiteboard completely. Apparently, customers with a Microsoft business account will be able to use it beyond the aforementioned dates mentioned in this in-app warning. So it does seem that Microsoft is wanting to limit its usage to organizations only. And the reason for that is I think that whiteboards are not being that useful in personal environments. So basically, that could be Microsoft's thinking behind this whole deprecation. But nonetheless, just wanted to let you know that Whiteboard is soon going to be no more, and just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.